People think I'm crazy for spending $500 on a figure, but let me explain. A night out for most people costs them $150 easy. Drinks, food, Uber, gone by midnight. And what do I have to show for it the next morning? Nothing. Maybe a headache? But I can take $500 and get me a figure that sits on my shelf for years. Something I researched, anticipated, and displayed. Something that genuinely makes me happy. That night out is forgotten by Sunday. The figure is still there 10 years from now. I'm not saying don't go out and have fun. I'm saying spend your money on what actually moves you. For me, that's this shelf, and I have zero regrets. What do you spend your money on that people don't understand?